I decided to try out an eggless version of the rice flour cake, and we had some cranberries in the house, so I thought why not combine it with coffee, ginger, and chocolate. I am experimenting for the first time, so let's hope for the best. The first thing I did was to take the dried cranberries out, heat it up with some butter and sugar till they were all mixed up and the cranberries started to get bigger. You can see it's well combined and the cranberries are swelled up. Now let's set aside to cool it down, and I'm gonna add some cashews to it so it can thicken. And to soften up the cashews, I am gonna soak the whole thing up with some hot water. In the same pan, we're gonna brew some coffee with some cinnamon, some cardamom, and some ginger, and whatever spice you wanna put in. I'm gonna add my palm sugar here as well so I don't have to mix my sugar separately. Also, this is how I melt small amounts of chocolates, don't judge me. I only have this small filter. The coffee has settled in the bottom anyway, so you make it with what you got. That's the motto of the channel. You know what I've discovered during this whole process? That this cranberry, cashew, sugar, butter mixture actually tastes like custard. Like the custard without the eggs. Who would have thought? I always butter my pans, in this case tumblers. I don't trust the parchment sheets, especially with steaming. After it's done, you want them to slide out like butter. I'll be honest, I did not know where this was going, but it turned out pretty well and the consistency was just perfect. But if I were to make this again, I will add more butter because it was on the drier side. And I'll add more of those flavors like cranberry, chocolate, and especially ginger. Also, I forgot to add salt. For the first try, it was good. It was going the right direction. You should try it too.